So right now, you're gonna draw a camel.
Okay.
However you think a camel look. Just any camel. Just use your imagination and draw a camel.
Me?
You're drawing it. You're drawing it right now. Yeah. Okay. Tu dois dessiner un chameau. Tu dois dessiner un chameau. Yeah.
Okay.
Don't be embarrassed. However you want to draw.
Oui, essaye de camel. Oui, un chameau.
Chameau. Yeah. You have them here in Mali.
Okay.
Yeah. And don't be embarrassed. Just draw however you think.
Yeah. Okay. Like that is okay?
Any way you want. So this is the first time I'm drawing camels with someone. Oh, the pen's no good? Can you get a different pen? So this is the first time that I'm drawing camels with an actual civil servant of a country. And so I think this is a step in the right direction. ATT is next, the president of Mali. I'll be drawing camels with him before I leave. Boukary, you can make that happen for me? Okay. Okay. Got a little kangaroo action going on. Alright, I'm going to pause it here. You keep drawing. I'm going to pause it and then I'll put the video back on for the finished product, and then we'll do a little workshop to draw a good looking camel. This looks good for maybe a wolf or a fox or a kangaroo, but yeah, we'll keep going. We're gonna make some adjustments, and yeah, stay tuned. Just hold that up. Hold that up like this.
Okay.
Okay. So this is Boukary Konaté. This is your first camel that you've drawn. And like I said before, I think it's good looking, but maybe for a different animal. I think maybe that's a horse or a donkey. Fali?
Fali.
Yeah, Fali. Okay. So now I'm gonna clip this. I'm gonna cut this off right now, and then we're gonna do a little session with my techniques. Okay. All right. Okay. Now, so this is part 2. This is the finished product, and this is after going through a little workshop about drawing a camel. You can go to howtodrawcamels.com and you can learn this. So let's just have the before. Where's the other one? Let's have the before and after. Okay, so let's just see here. This is the before on the left, right here, and this is the after. Which I think is, I think it's a real beauty. What do you think, Boukary? C'est bon, n'est-ce pas?
Oui, c'est bon.
C'est bon. Okay. Okay. Tu as bien compris.
Oui.
Okay. So we'll see you next time on howtodrawcamels.com, and once again, you can check out Boukary's blog at fasokan.wordpress.com. That's FASOKAN.wordpress.com. Okay. See you later.